Princess House offers amazing rewards in Period 8. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. New consultants that join Princess House in Period 8 with personal sales totaling $750 as their first active period receive a Marbella 6-piece entertaining set valued at $154.95. And new consultants that join Princess House in Period 8 with personal sales totaling $1,500 as their first active period receive this 2-piece pH Cook Solutions stackable set valued at $309.90. Additionally, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period will receive a tri-ply stainless steel 12-inch skillet valued at $224.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.
We are so excited to announce some exciting updates to our new consultant extra reward incentive and our Bright Beginners program. When you sell $750 in sales, you can choose one of the following extra rewards: either the Marbella 6-piece entertainment set or the Culinary Series Healthy 3.5 quart straining casserole and silicone lid. But wait, there's more. When you sell $1,500 in sales in this sales period that ends August 13th, you actually are going to earn our deluxe Vida Sana 7-quart stand mixer that's retailed at $619.95. I can't wait for you to start your Princess House business.